Welcome! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of ginger. Get ready to learn about its incredible health benefits, versatile uses, and simple recipes. Ginger is more than just a spice. It's a powerful root with a rich history and impressive medicinal properties. Let's start with the basics. Ginger is the root of the Zingiber officinale plant. It's known for its pungent aroma and spicy flavor, making it a staple in both culinary dishes and traditional medicine. Originating from Southeast Asia, ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine for its healing properties. It truly is a time-tested remedy. Now let's explore the powerful health benefits that make ginger a must-have in your diet. Its primary active compound, gingerol, is responsible for most of its medicinal effects. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. This means it can help reduce chronic inflammation, soothe muscle pain, and potentially aid in managing inflammatory conditions. One of ginger's most famous uses is alleviating nausea and vomiting. Whether it's motion sickness or morning sickness, ginger can calm an upset stomach and support overall digestion. Ginger has incredible immune-boosting properties. Regular consumption can help protect against infections and strengthen your body's natural defenses, especially during cold and flu season. So how can you start incorporating more ginger into your daily routine? You have several options, from fresh root to supplements. Fresh ginger offers the most potent flavor and health benefits, while dried or powdered ginger is convenient for baking and adding a milder flavor to dishes. You can enjoy ginger as a soothing tea, take it in supplement form for concentrated benefits, or integrate it into countless recipes for an extra zing. To help you get started, here are 3 easy ways to use ginger in your kitchen today. These recipes are quick, delicious, and maximize ginger's flavor. For a comforting and immune-boosting drink, steep thinly sliced fresh ginger and a slice of lemon in hot water. Add a touch of honey for sweetness and enjoy the soothing warmth. Ginger is fantastic in stir-fries. Grate or thinly slice fresh ginger and add it early in the cooking process to infuse your vegetables and protein with its aromatic, spicy flavor. Need a quick wellness boost? Blend fresh ginger root with lemon juice and a splash of water. Then strain the mixture for a powerful, energizing ginger lemon shot. Ginger is truly a powerhouse of flavor and health benefits. We hope this deep dive encourages you to make it a regular part of your wellness routine. To recap, ginger is fantastic for fighting inflammation, aiding digestion, and boosting your immune system. Use it fresh, dried, or as a supplement. Do you have a favorite way to use ginger? Share your best recipes and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy content.